If you are familiar with the Winona area, you may have driven past a little store called Restored Blessings. Opened in 2011, this secondhand store is doing its part to help local students. Founders Lois and Dave Hasse had a heart for helping students at St. Martin's Day School and Hope Lutheran High School and decided to do something about it. Volunteer Cheryl Klug talks about how the ministry got started.
About 2.5 years ago, a couple members of our congregation, decided to start Restored Blessings as a ministry of St. Martin's Church and School. And what it is really is a thrift shop, a Christian thrift shop, and we take donations. Everything is donated. We all volunteer our time. And the profits that come from the store help St. Martin's School with tuition for parents. Parents can come and work a certain amount of hours and then get a certain amount of money. And it's for St. Martin's School and Hope Lutheran High School.
St. Martin's and Hope Lutheran are Lutheran schools in Winona that are helped by the ministry of Restored Blessings. Students, parents, and community members can volunteer their time to earn tuition money for students.
I volunteer not only to help for tuition, but also it just is a good feeling to be here. Just that we're here to help, people that maybe can't afford, regular price clothes, just kind of getting deals, just with the way the economy is now, and people just like to get secondhand stuff.
Hope Lutheran High School hopes to someday branch out of St. Martin's School in order to expand its reach. Restored Blessings is helping in that endeavor by donating money to their building fund. No matter what day you choose to come into Restored Blessings, you are sure to be greeted with a smile, great service, and probably some surprising treasures. Even on a rainy day like today, Restored Blessings is doing its part to brighten the Winona community.